Hello friends, how are you doing? Today we will see question number 179 on part 65 of my videos concerning aptitude test questions with their solutions. Now let's go to the question. Question number 179. The number of students in each section is 24. After admitting new students, 3 new sections were started. Now the number of sections is 16 and there are 21 students in each section. The number of new students admitted is A 14, B 24, C 48, D 140. Now you are given this word problem and informations are given again on the question. Now based on the informations given here, you are required to find out the number of new students admitted. Okay, as usual, pause this video for a while and try to search the correct answer for this question, or try to answer this question by your own. Again, compare the solution or the answer that you get with the solution and again the answer that I have just provided hereafter. I hope you get the correct answer for this question. Good. First you have to understand the question very well. And the question says that the number of students in each section is given, and initially there are 24 students in each section, but after a while new students were added. Then 3 new sections were formed. After new students are admitted, there are additional new sections created, and the new sections that are created were 3. When the new sections are created, the total number of sections becomes 16. And in each section there are 21 students. Previously there were 24, but now the number of students is decreased and becomes 21. So this is the information. From this information you are required to find out the number of new students admitted. Good. Let us see the solution step by step here. Initially, there are 24 students in each section. But now, 3 new sections are added, and the total number of sections becomes how much? 16. That means the new number of sections is 16 after 3 new sections were created because of the admitting number of new students. From this you can get another information or additional information, or the initial number of sections. That means since new sections were added and the total number of sections becomes 16, therefore the initial number of sections or the original number of sections is 16 minus 3, which is equal to 13. So this is the initial number of sections. And again you have the initial number of students in each section, 24, and the initial number of sections, 13. From this you can get the initial number of total students, 24 times by 30. So the initial total number of students is 13 times by 24, which is equal to 312. Good. What's next? There are 16 sections, and in each section there are 21 students. Then the total number of new students becomes 16 times by 21. Total number of new students. That means the total number of students after admitting new students becomes 16 times by 21, which is equal to 336. Now we have the total number of students after adding or admitting new students, and again there are initial number of students before admitting of the new students. Now you can find the difference, and the difference is the number of new students admitted to the school. So the number of new students admitted is the difference between the two, 336 minus 312, which is equal to 24. And the answer for this question is choice B. Choice B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, this is all about for today. And till this video, that means till my 65 video, I have just provided you 179 aptitude test questions. And these questions are very important or very crucial for students, as well as they are important for graduates who are searching for a job. And again, for any individual who wants to update his career or his job, these questions are very useful. So if you know how to solve aptitude test questions, you will be successful in any type of examination, either educational examination or vacancy examinations. So be a member of this channel, subscribe this channel, and you can get aptitude test questions weekly. Hopefully in a weekly basis I will provide you best and selected aptitude test questions. Again, share this channel to your friends and families. Thank you.